Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by anchoring the pose. Draw a flowing spine curve, then place ovals for head, chest, and hips to lock proportions. Use light 2H or HB strokes so you can erase later. Once done, connect those shapes with cylinders for neck, limbs, and tail to visualize volume. This helps you see 3D mass. Make sure to mark joint centers and limb lengths now, because accurate scaffolding prevents proportion errors later and speeds the detailing stage. Now refine the basic skeleton into anatomy. Sculpt the snout, jaw, and eye socket using angled planes to suggest form. Once those planes read well, block in major muscle groups with overlapping shapes, so the dragon reads solid from any angle. Next, attach wings as membrane planes with clear arm/hand bones underneath. This explains how they fold. Remember to indicate a single light source. That decision guides scale placement. To finish, add identifying details like horns, claws, and teeth, but keep them grounded on the forms you built. Don't paste decorations without support. Shade using cross-contour strokes to emphasize roundness, and use softer gradients on large muscles while reserving harder edges near joints. Once complete, erase construction lines and sharpen the silhouette edges where needed. If your drawing looks flat, reinforce the primary light/dark contrast and deepen cast shadows to sell the 3D illusion quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.